Girls watch the Netflix, the boys do their yoga. I don't know what kind of yoga they're doing, but they're doing something. Oh my god. So, this is the side I need to cut. My time at the tiny home build was coming to an end, and with about a week left, there was still heaps to do. How does it feel, Mike?
We're almost there.
We were becoming very detailed, down to the very last millimeter. That grinder takes it off a bit more than...
Yeah, maybe. It's just 1 mil. It's not a big deal.
That's good.
Just put that spacer here.
Yeah. This whole millimeter thing is throwing me off a bit. I miss the imperial system! Even though it was short-lived, I enjoyed my time here. And I don't think these guys minded me and my camera. Oh, I'm just taking a video of you.
Alright. Well, it goes perfectly. It's planned.
It's okay. I like to film everyone's failures and successes.
Yeah, well, I don't have any failures to show.
Well, I guess perfection just runs easy for some people. They're singing Mamma Mia again. Hear Mauro laughing. But before I could go, we all had to do one last memorable venture together. Let's see what the boys are up to over here. Hey, Mauro. And what better way than to hit up the great outdoors? And my accommodations, of course, the car, because I'm a princess.
She has all her life in it.
All my life is in this car. Hey, Maddie. What are you?
Pasta time.
Pasta time. Ooh, it smells delicious in here. Our cook.
Oh shit. Just explain.
Oh my god. Well done on camera too. Oh, look at that. Maddie, delicious.
So
that evening, we were on the hunt to see a wild kiwi bird, which is not an easy feat. The majorities of New Zealanders have never seen a wild kiwi in their lifetime. So the odds were not that high that we would come across one.
another one.
But, as fate would have it, oh my god.
So cute.
I did not think we were going to see one, and we saw one. But that evening, fate was on our side. We're all getting up to watch the sunrise at the top of the hill that we watched the sunset.
One last ticket before it's gone. One last summer before it's fall. Tune your strings and play your cards.
And just like that, another chapter had come to an end. Even though it had been a short period of time, I definitely won't forget this experience, or the people I met along the way.
And you're beating and fast